crazy that this all came up like that, you know. And now
hey, buddy.
Down.
Nice, Carson.
Can I sit in front of you?
No, because Hayden's going next. After Hayden's done catching this awesome pass.
Put some swagger in it, Hayden. It's not swagger.
Nice. Good job, buddy. Here they go. On the Farmington Lake field. Woo! Woo! Blizzard! Woo woo!
Look at this field. This thing is so nice.
But his brother, I meant like catches by him.
Isaac Henry to kick off for the Tigers.
Let's go, Farmington!
Yeah, what you said.
Go, Farmington! Go, go, go! Oh my God, you should. He had burns on his. Oh, they're running. Go, go, go!
Go, 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 go!
Nice one!
Look at that! Woo!
Clinton on the touchdown for Bloomington. There is a flag on the play.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah, you tell us right now.
There's so many bees out here. Yeah. Oh. Ah.
Let's go! Get in, get in!
Yeah. Woo!
Lynn in for the conversion.
What'd I miss? Just kidding.
You were over there watching.
Yeah.
You know, I don't really expect turn up.
Okay.
I don't really. Nice kick.
All right, very good.
Let's
very
get
good.
up there.
All right.
Nice.
All right, Blizzard.
Woo! Oh, I'm still recording. Dang it.
I see you're at the top there. Okay. Well, I don't know how to get around.
There you go. Nice.
Second down and 6.
That's what we were saying at halftime. We'll go over there too. Oh, he's coming over here at halftime? Yeah.
All right, boys.
Defense.
So nice.
Yeah!
All right.
Nice.
It's a gain of 1.
84.
It's up 3rd down and 3.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
We were like halfway. Come on, Carson! There you go, Carson!
That's all right. That's good. So that's why I'm glad the game's at 2 today.
We lost our last. Here he comes, Carson! There you go.
There you go. Nice, nice.
Man, Gowie on the carry.
All right. It's not going to be your only time. Just remember that if you touchdown.
Yeah. Oh.
I think it's so funny that they're popular.
Get up.
Let's go, defense! Here it comes, here it comes!
Get him, get him. Yeah, sit him down.
Kane's up on the line now. But he was on the line last time. Now he's in the front. Blitz. Oh. Back. Jimmy stays back.
Let's go!
Yeah. Wow. That was like an NFL tackle.
That was really low, really good.
That was like an NFL tackle. I don't know.
Let me say, Haynes on the line for their blitz.
Let's go, boys!
Interception! Oh, and throw it away.
Brandon's got it.
Go, go! Come on, Blizzard! He just tapped. I don't know if it was Hayden or... Nice! Woo!
Carson. So Hayden's on our side.
Go, go, there you go!
Cam! Hey, Cam! Look at this.
Well, you're not doing track when you're doing it. Come on! Let's go! Come on, Clyde! Go, Brandon! Come on, Jen! Go, Brandon! Come on! Nice!
To Hayden.
Ah.
God. Let's go.
Come on, Blizzards.
Oh, God.
Oh.
Terrible.
Ooh. Come on, defense.
Look at James is right.
Get him! Get him! Oh, dang! Is that Brandon?
Yeah, that's a quarterback.
Tackled by Roloff.
Right, they were right by everybody else.
Oh!
Where's Hayden?
Oh! Enter! Oh! Dang.
All right.
Here, all across the stadium. Come on, D.
Let's go, Bloomington. Nice. Nice play. I was afraid I was going to
Oh, Hayden's in line, they're going to blitz.
Oh, it's way up.
Oh!
Johnson complete.
Oh, that was nice and high, short. Oh.
This is a great field.
He doesn't have any. If anyone has hair,
Nice! Oh! Good job, Hayden! Woo!
Roloff completes
It's a
pass.
win for the team!
Hayden. Where's Hayden?
Go, go, Brandon!
Go, 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 go! Oh. Good job, Bloomington!
Back keeper.
Did you lose this first year? Yeah. Brandon's going back to the pass.
Go, 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 go! Wow! Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Oh, jeez. Come on, Bloomington!
Go, Tigers! Go,
Go, Jack!
Let's go, Jack! Come on, Bloomington! Blizzard. Come on! Ready, Jack.
Oh! Yep,
Look at his feet, too.
yep.
Roloff's pass intended for Teskey falls incomplete.
That's my boy. Focus, focus, come on. There we go.
Is it this one?
Come on. Yeah! Go, 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 go! Woo! Yeah!
Roloff's pass completed to Christensen.
Good job, Carson! Blizzards! Where'd they all go? Oh.
Forced out of bounds by Lansing.
I like to do that. Let's go! Go Tigers! Shut him down! Come on,
Come on, Bloomington! Touchdown!
Is he going to Carson?
Oh, yeah! Woo!
Roll
Woo!
pass Christensen for the Bloomington touchdown.
Yeah!
Carson over here. You got Hayden on the line. Oh, you gave it to James?
Go, James! Yeah! Get her done!
Early in for
You can just fall in there.
Betzinger at least deep for the Tigers.
And then it should give you something to click on so then you know that. No.
Oh, a little bit of a hop there.
Oh, my phone went out of focus.
Let's go, Blazer!
No, 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 no. No! Interception! Woo! Good job! Yes!
Interception. Bloomington.
Woo!
Tigers!
Brandon got it. Oh,
I can't.
he's running.
Uh,
He's running.
where's he going? He's like running back and forth.
I think I'm eating something like that.
Right now, we're for to be.
Yeah!
But that would be really embarrassing.
Ryder Anderson on the carry. Tackled by Morton.
Oh, no, it wasn't Hayden.
Get him down! Come on, come down!
Good job, guys.
Gail Fleece on the carry.
They taste pretty good.
You can, at the very top, in the blue, Jefferson, Jefferson hoodie.
Gotcha.
Come on, Bloomington!
Right field by James Gurley.
Yeah, go James! Yeah.
He's taller than me, and I'm 6'1".
What a difference.
And he's
Yeah.
been one of the smaller guys against some of these teams.
Yeah.
Come on! Oh, get him! Come on! Come on! Yes!
Wow. Unnecessary roughness on Hayden. I got it on video. I can do instant replay.
Come on, Bloomington! Get him down!
Go! Oh, he's down. Quarterback got hurt? On their team? Oh, that's not good. Oh, no. Oh, I thought it was like dislocated. The way that they were moving it, I was like, oh, man.
Person's parents.
Go Tigers! He actually saw the last time.
Oh, yeah, got him down low.
Johnson's pass completed to Logan Pensinger. There is a flag on the play.
Come on, Blizzards. Take him down. Take him down. Get him. Get him. Get him. Yeah! Get him. Make him sit down. Oh, jeez.
And now he stays on his feet.
Uh-oh.
Forced out of bounds inside the 10.
Oh, I thought you were talking about your brother. Yeah, Carson is. Same as number 15. Come on! Get him! Come on, get him!
Get him down. Yeah! Look at
Blake
James.
Johnson brought down in the backfield by Jacob Bassney.
Down already? I would have thought that last week was That's how we're supposed to open them, I guess. Did you know that?
I thought.
Come on, Bloomington!
Yeah, what she said. Oh! No way, no way, no way, no way, no way. Yeah! No.
Well, who's going to eat for it?
Come on, Captain!
No! Yeah! Go! Go, Carson! Go! Go! Oh, that's not Carson. That's sorry. Sorry, not Carson. Woo! That's right! Bring it in like a blizzard!
That was perfect.
Nice. Rocking like the purple hurricane! Blizzards!
Oh, he snuck right there.
Yeah! There you go. Come on, purple blizzards!
Cole's at the side door laughing.
Go, Tigers! Let's go, Carlos!
It's like I don't know whether it's down there.
Come on! Come on, Tigers!
Go, 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 go! Go, 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 go! Oh, jeez! Oh my god! Oh my god, is he okay? All right, Hayden! Oh my god.
Broken up by Ankobe.
Come on, Bloomington! Come on, Tigers!
Oh!
Come on, Tigers! Get the ball! Pass! Go! Come on! Go!
Oh. Come on, Blizzards! Oh. Run it! Fourth quarter, the last playoff game. All right, Blizzards. Take him down, Purple, take him down. Yeah. All right, Blizzards, take him down.
All right, get him down! Get him
Yeah! get him down. All right, dance around like a merry-go-round. Good job, Blizzards. Come on, purple Blizzards.
Get him down!
Get him, get him. Oh, get him down. All right, Blizzards, time for another interception.
Come on, get him down!
Yeah!
Oh, wow.
Oh.
Fumble.
Take him down! Take him down!
Oh, yeah.
Come on, purple! Let's go, purple!
Go purple! Hit him like the Blizzards you are.
Come on! All right!
Blake Johnson's pass intended for Leo Barber falls incomplete.
Purple, hold it back!
Jack said that they're
Let's go!
Get him! Get him down! Get him down!
Hold him back! Get him down!
Yeah. Sit down.
Get him back! Get him down!
Oh.
They just do it anyway.
You got this, Tiger!
Yeah! That's right. Sit down.
Blake Johnson.
I'm Farmington! Come on! Get him!
Oh. Farmington! How many players do these guys got? Take him down, Blizzards! Take him down! Get him down! Yeah! Go! Yeah!
Roll off on the carry.
Come on, Tiger! Let's go, let's go, keep going! Good job!
All right, Blizzards! Go, 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 go! Oh, ugh.
Alright, purple! Come on, come on, come on, come on!
Go, go. Oh. Woo! Good! We won our second playoff game! Last playoff game.
Nice job, Farmington!
Woo! I'm sorry, I'm jumping over.
Good game, guys!
Woo! Blizzards! Yeah!
Yeah, I'm gonna go stand at the fence and okay.
Huh?
High school.
the coaches. Yeah, Blizzard! Woo!
Thank your parents and your fans for coming and watching. Absolutely. Thank your parents for driving you. Yes. Hey, one more time, guys. One more time. Hey! There will be a team party at some point. We'll get information on that. Okay. Other than that, great job, you guys. Blizzard on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Good job, buddy. Oh, good job, guys.
Oh, we came so far since the beginning of the year, man.
Hey, now she's taking over my job.
Good job, boys.
How about the front row, Neil? So we can see the guys behind. There, you can't hide, coaches.
1,
2, 3, smile. Silly face. Oh. How about a W for the win? W! W! Come on, Hayden, you're the only one not doing it. See? All right. Woo! Good job, everybody!